Hi Pre-K, it's Mrs. Harrison here. It's Thursday, so you know what that means. Time for word games. I usually do word games outside, but today it's very windy, so I decided to go inside. Alright, are you ready? It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. Rhyming words sound the same at the... Did you say at the end? If you did, you're absolutely right. Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Remember, first it's my turn, then it's your turn. Dog, log. Hot pot. Then, when. Sing, wing. To, you. Great job, Pre-K. Did you hear that word you? I think that's a snap word. Good job. All right, what's at the beginning? Do you know? What's at the beginning? I think you know. Now we're listening for beginning sounds. That's the first sound you hear. First it's my turn, then you get to try. Man. Went. To. Cup. Get. Great job, Pre-K. All right, take two words, put them together. Good work. Here we go. Bath, tub, bathtub. Inside, inside. Peanut, peanut. Dog, house, doghouse. Sunlight, sunlight. Good job. Now I'm going to take two words and you're going to put them together. Let's see if you got it. Pancake, book, mark, downstairs, wheelchair, toothpaste. Did you say it nice and loud? I hope you did. All right, the last one we're going to do is the ending sound. That's the last sound you hear. Get your little karate punch. Here we go. All right. Old. Get. Bowl. Fox. Dog. You did a really good job. You keep on practicing and you'll be ready for kindergarten. Thanks so much. I'll see you next week.